So before I start talking about these interesting scenarios that are being flashed, looking at the price action of Bitcoin in a different time frame, I just want you guys to first destroy that like button, and to those individuals watching this for the first time, to hit the subscribe button and the bell. So looking at this here in a daily time frame using this Bollinger Band, we are aware there is a squeeze in Bollinger Band which indicates incoming volatility, but in our case we want to find out whether this incoming volatility is going to be a break here to the upside, just like I shown you an example, or a break here to the downside. So that's exactly what we are going to find out in this video. But for now, we know the price of Bitcoin after some shakeout actually tested the support from this lower band, right? And now there might be a really rally for price to get attracted towards this 32,000 range before deciding the trend direction. So that's why it's very important for us the price of Bitcoin in the medium short term remains above 30,000 and also breaks the resistance which we have around 32,000 range at any cost, because we know if we look at the price structure around this area in a bit different way, we can also see the price is breaking out from this descending channel. This descending channel upper trend line acted as a line of resistance, lower line acted as a line of support. So in our case, since the price of Bitcoin is above it, we just want the price to remain above 30,000, because remaining above 30,000 means the price for the coming days could be slowly starting with a new impulsive movement here like this. Yes guys, the price of Bitcoin, if it manages to remain above 30,000 in the medium short term, is expected to show further impulsiveness for the coming days, because we know parallelly beside this descending channel, even this descending broadening wedge is clearly indicating us, since the price in our case has broken this key line of resistance, now could be starting a new impulsive movement. Yes guys, for this new impulsive movement to play out, we just need the price to find support above this upper trend line from the descending channel as well, which is going to be above 30,000. In the medium short term, if the price remains above 30,000, then we are expecting the price of Bitcoin after some range bound, right, to show another continuation here like this, because according to this descending broadening wedge, our price objective for the medium short term, if the price remains over 30,000, is going to be somewhere around 30,700 to 31,000 range. Yes guys, we are expecting the price of Bitcoin, if it remains over 30,000, to slowly start with a new impulsive movement, because we know parallelly getting attracted towards this 31,000 means we are also going to get attracted towards the key line of resistance. Yes, in a daily time frame, the price of Bitcoin was forming this broadening wedge formation. Previously, breaking the upper trend line resulted in a very bullish movement here. So this is exactly what we are also expecting the price of Bitcoin to do, because we are holding this 30,000 support line. Yes guys, if the price of Bitcoin is going to show another continuation, then we have to overcome the resistance which we have around 32,000 range at any cost. And right now, this move here, right, since it has tested this 30,000 support one more time, we could be, right, if this is going to be a trend continuation here to the upside, then this upper trend line around 32,000 will be also considered as our upcoming target. And only after breaking that, right, only after breaking above this key line, we know it is going to be a continuation pattern, and the price objective from this broadening wedge is going to be between 35,000 to 40,000 range. Yes, 35 to 40,000 is considered as our upcoming target, and only after reaching around that area, the price of Bitcoin is going to choose an actual trend direction. Now, beside this example, let me also show you with another scenario why the price of Bitcoin must remain above 30,000, because remaining above 30,000 in the medium short term means the price is also going to remain above this key line of support from this leading indicator, because we know every time the price has found support, proper support above the CPI line, the trend after that has always been looked as a continuation pattern, because I have been very clear about this. Price only finds support over the CPI line when it is preparing itself for this new impulsive movement. And in our case, even if the price fails to get attracted to us 35 to 40,000, then we could at least see a move around 33,000 or $32,950. Yes, this R1 line will be considered as our upcoming target as long as the price of Bitcoin remains above this CPI lines. And this CPI lines, the bottom CPI line is lying around 28,000, central CPI line is lying around 28,800 range and the top CPI line is lying around 29,600 range. So that's why we said remaining over 30,000 means the price will be still holding the key line of support, and this will be looked as a continuation here to the upside, and 33,000 in that case will be looked as our upcoming target or the first target for this month of July according to this leading indicator. Yes guys, this central pivot range is a leading indicator which gives us information beforehand, and according to this leading indicator, if the price remains over the CPI line, then R1 is our first target for this month of July, which is around 33,000 range. Now let me show you with another example. What in case if the price is going to fake out? I mean, the price is going to fake this bullish move, break the support which you have around 30,000, and again re-enter inside this broadening wedge, descending broadening wedge, re-enter inside this descending channel. So in that case, we are going to look at this formation here. Now, before I switch to other chart, I just want to quickly aware you guys about the bonuses which are available for our community members in the description down below. Bybit with 30,000 deposit bonus plus 1,000 USDT giveaway to our community members who sign up using this link within this month. Yes guys, you just have to follow a simple step to claim this 1,000 USDT giveaway. So if you want to grab this opportunity, the link to Phemex, the link to Bybit, OKX are all given in the description down below. Feel free to check it out. Feel free to grab this opportunity. Now let me switch the chart. So previously we talked about this bearish divergence. It is still forming a bearish divergence if you compare this price action of Bitcoin, where it's forming higher highs, higher lows. But if you look at the RSI, it's clearly forming lower highs, lower lows, continuation pattern type of formation. Even the MACD and TTCCI are not supporting this impulsive movement. Let's say if we break the support from 30,000 as well and price is going to show another shakeout, please do not worry, because we know as long, right, as the price remains between 28,000 to 30,000 for this month, not only 30,000, even 28,000 is one of the most important support line. There is nothing to worry about, because in that case, this would be a retest from the Fibonacci lines. Yes guys, the price in our case could come back to test the support from this 0.5 Fibonacci line, which is sitting around 28,000. And after that, right, we are expecting the price of Bitcoin to show a move here like this. Yes, retracement towards 28,000 to 30,000 range. But if we remain above that area, that could result in another continuation here to the upside. And even if we look at this in a bit different way, I mean, if you look at this in a daily time frame using this Livermore speculative chart, I have been very clear guys. Even if the price in the medium short term gets attracted towards a CPI line between 28,000 to 30,000, then this scenario here, I mean the accumulation cylinder with widening mouth, will also play out. I mean, price coming back to test the key line of support one more time, which was also the line where we previously from resistance. This exact line could be retested along with the lower trend line from this widening mouth, right? And then start with a new impulsive movement, because we know pullback around this 28,000 means the price will be coming back to test the support from this Fibonacci line, the 0.5 Fibonacci line, and even the support from this July CPR. But as long as we remain above that range, there is nothing to worry about. So this was some of the quick update that I wanted to share with you in this video. If you enjoyed my work, then please do not hesitate to destroy the like button, and for those individuals watching this for the first time, to hit the subscribe button and the bell. Now by saying this, I'm signing out. My name is Anup. Bye bye.